Hi Laurie, how are you? You have been doing great. I can see your progress. Maybe I have not spent enough time post my reactions on Facebook, but I do look at your and others' works multiple times a week. You guys are doing great. I want to try to create more instruction videos as I can. I'm also doing lots of thinkings and what you guys need and create what kind of materials, what way that I should deliver my instructions better. Let's first look at the goat walking on the highway. The background is the mountain and with some snow covered partially. One thing you do really good, you place the snow right behind the goat. Not exactly the same in the photo reference. Your thinking is really good. You know that the animal is the focal point. And how to create a focal point, use the value contrast. Either very dark in the background or you make the background really light. The solution that you present, I like it. The direction of the movement, this is really good too. As from the top, the movement coming down, and you can see that lead the viewer's eye into the main objects. Here's what I want you to think. I want you to think to simplify, even simplify a little more. How many groups in a whole painting? I want you to think about the groups a little further. You're already doing a good job. You're grouping them into the areas like the main object versus the whole everything else. And you create a value contrast and the color intensity. You're really doing a great job. One is the mountain, the darker, the uncovered area of the mountain, and the snow, and the ground. And the last one is the main object. If there is a chance to simplify it a little more, besides the main objects, can you make everything else into two groups? It's possible, right? There's a road over there. Can I make the road to join the group to the natural color of the mountain with the dark colors? You could. Maybe you want to just make that road with the same brown color as the mountain. In that case, you simplified it. Or, even a better solution, make the whole road to cover by the snow. So the snow is all the way extended on the road, and maybe just have a few footprints behind the goat. So the goat's walking on the snow-covered ground. So that you visually eliminate the shape of the ground to make it to join the shape of the snow. This is a thought. So whenever there's a chance, eliminate unnecessary shapes. You will give more emphasis to the main object. Continue painting. I'm so happy to see your progress so fast since last time I met you in Boston. Let me know when you come back to Boston again, and we would like to get together and have a coffee or come to see me in the college.